Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So I'm trying to decide between the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura E6, both espresso machines, but they seem pretty different. What do you think?
Yeah, I've looked at both. The Breville is around $800, while the Jura is almost double that, at $1,700. That's a big difference right off the bat.
Definitely. Is the Jura worth the extra cash?
Well, it depends on what you're looking for. The Jura is super automatic. It grinds, tamps, brews, froths, and even self-cleans. It's all automated. The Breville, while having an integrated grinder, still requires more manual input.
Like what kind of manual input?
You still control the tamping and have to move the portafilter. The Jura, you just press a button. It's really about convenience. The Jura also boasts a professional aroma grinder that they say grinds more aroma, and an 8th generation brew unit with 3D brewing. Sounds fancy, right?
Yeah, sounds like marketing speak. But the Breville has a touchscreen, right? That seems pretty user-friendly.
True, the Breville's touchscreen is easy to use and lets you customize settings and save coffee preferences. The Jura has a color display, but you use buttons, which might feel a bit less modern. Both are programmable, though.
What about the heating time? I'm impatient in the mornings.
The Breville heats up in just 3 seconds with its thermojet system, which is seriously fast. The Jura doesn't specify a heat-up time, which makes me think it's probably longer.
Okay, that's a big plus for the Breville. And they both have milk frothing, right?
Yes, but the Breville has an auto steam wand that lets you adjust milk temperature and texture, giving you barista-quality microfoam. The Jura froths milk, but it's less customizable.
So the Jura is all about ease of use and automation, while the Breville offers more control and faster heating, but requires more manual work.
Exactly. And the Breville is significantly cheaper. If you enjoy the process of making espresso and want more hands-on control, the Breville is a great choice. If you want the ultimate convenience and don't mind paying extra, the Jura is the way to go. It really depends on your priorities and budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.